Most small bedroom ideas follow the same tired playbook. Add a mirror, keep the walls white, buy smaller furniture, and hope the room somehow feels bigger than it did before. It usually doesn't. The issue isn't that there aren't enough ideas out there. It's that most of them treat the room as a styling problem when it's actually a functional one. What this list covers is different. 10 small bedroom ideas built specifically to fix that. 10 ways to actually make them work instead of just making them look good in a photo shoot. They didn't reach for paint swatches first. They rethought how a bed can reclaim floor space, how a wall can carry the weight of 3 pieces of furniture, and how the right system can make even the tightest bedroom feel built from the ground up for the way you live. 10. The continuous line sculptural shelf. Forget standard blocks. Install a custom wraparound shelf that follows the room's perimeter. This snake design acts as a visual anchor, drawing the eye across the longest lines of the room to create an illusion of expansive width. By connecting corners and spanning multiple walls, you eliminate dead zones and turn storage into a modern architectural feature. This single continuous piece replaces bulky bookcases and cluttered nightstands, keeping the floor entirely clear. It's a functional sculpture that provides a massive surface area for books and tech without the visual heaviness of traditional furniture. In a small room, it's not just a shelf, it's a space-expanding statement. 9. The architectural anchor DIY headboard. Standard headboards are often bulky afterthoughts, but a custom CNC milled architectural anchor transforms your bed into a high-end focal point. By using 3D lofted curves and a textured waffle pattern, you create an undulating surface that plays with light and shadow, adding incredible depth to a flat wall. This freestanding design, supported by integrated legs, avoids damaging bedroom walls while providing a slim profile that saves precious inches. Adding a built-in light bar further elevates the look, creating a moody, sophisticated glow that eliminates the need for cluttered bedside lamps. It's the ultimate fusion of custom furniture design and space-saving utility for the modern DIYer. 8. The Levitating Nook floating frame. Maximize your floor's visual real estate by building a levitating nook. Unlike traditional frames with corner legs that chop up the floor plan, this DIY platform uses a recessed 2x10 box support to create a stunning floating effect. By tucking the bed into a corner, you eliminate cramped walkways and reclaim a massive unified floor area for a desk or lounge. Elevate the strategy with under-bed LED rope lighting. The glow washes the floor, erasing shadows and making the room feel infinitely airy. It's a rock-solid redwood build that trades bulky furniture for architectural magic, giving your small bedroom a high-end, custom-built expansion. 7. The vertical third gallery. Stop congesting your living zone with floor-level furniture that eats into your footprint. Instead, master the vertical third gallery by installing architectural storage exclusively in the top third of your walls. By shifting lush herb planters with integrated grow lights or sculptural statement pieces, like a custom-milled treble cloth shelf, toward the ceiling, you force the eye upward, emphasizing height over width. This high-altitude strategy leaves the eye-level section completely clear, creating a psychological sense of breathability. Utilizing French cleats and hidden wiring transforms neglected airspace into a functional exhibition, allowing you to maximize utility while maintaining a sleek, unobstructed environment where you actually live. 6. The shadow hack: why dark colors actually make small rooms feel bigger. Stop playing it safe with clinical, all-white schemes that flatten your room and highlight every cramped corner. Instead, embrace the infinite depth strategy by painting the wall behind your headbed in a deep, moody charcoal or midnight navy while keeping the remaining walls crisp and light. This high contrast move tricks the eye into perceiving the dark surface as receding into the distance, much like looking into the vastness of a night sky. By grounding the sleeping zone in a heavy, saturated tone, you create an architectural anchor that adds sophisticated drama without overwhelming the space. It's a psychological hack that turns a small boundary into a boundless, cozy sanctuary. 5. The Submerged Utility Ecosystem. Stop choosing between a calm sanctuary and functional storage. Master the submerged utility ecosystem by treating every piece of furniture as a hidden warehouse. Instead of a standard frame, utilize a high-capacity storage bed to submerge bulky linens and out-of-season clothes beneath your mattress, keeping the floor entirely clear of sideboards. Complement this with a DIY standing pegboard vanity that uses vertical airspace for daily cosmetics, turning your essentials into a curated design feature. By integrating pendant lighting to eliminate floor lamp footprints and utilizing hidden mirror cabinets, you create a zero-clutter environment. It's about retreating into a minimalist aesthetic without sacrificing the high-access utility required for a seamless morning routine. 4. The Ergonomic Command Cockpit. Working from home shouldn't feel like a hostile takeover of your sanctuary by a soul-crushing, oversized slab of office furniture. Master the Ergonomic Command Cockpit to reclaim your room's zen without sacrificing productivity. Everything within arm's reach. This design features a waterfall grain flow and a recessed monitor arm mount, allowing screens to float and reclaim valuable surface area. By integrating a dedicated keyboard tray and tiered shelving for peripherals, you eliminate desk sprawl that traditionally eats into living space. This high-precision, book-matched walnut and ash build isn't just a desk, it's a space-saving engine that condenses a professional setup into a sleek architectural footprint that respects the sanctuary of your small room. 3. The Aerated Low-Profile Platform. Tricking the eye into seeing more ceiling height is easy when you swap traditional furniture for the sleek, air-rated, low-profile platform. This minimalist hemlock wood frame ditches bulky fasteners for tight, traditional joinery, providing a rock-solid foundation for just $125. By elevating your mattress only slightly, you maintain a sense of height in the room while ensuring vital airflow to prevent moisture buildup, a common failure of placing beds directly on the floor. The sleek, linear slats draw the eye across the floorboards, expanding the visual width of the space. It's a budget-friendly, high-performance DIY solution that trades vertical clutter for an airy, grounded sanctuary that feels custom-built for tight quarters. 2. The Luminous Block Footprint. Maximize every square inch of your floor plan by replacing dead space with the Luminous Block Footprint. This ingenious design utilizes oversized hollow maple blocks at the corners to replace standard legs, providing massive structural stability while doubling as low-profile storage for socks or linens. By integrating soft LED lighting directly into these blocks, you illuminate the grain of the Bolivian rosewood veneer and cast a warm glow across the floorboards. This eliminates the need for bulky floor lamps and floating clutter. This symmetrical masterpiece uses soft light and hidden storage to break the visual boundaries of your room, making even the smallest floor plan feel intentionally curated. Lastly, 1. The Tetris Kinetic System. Standard furniture is static, but small rooms demand movement. Master the Tetris Kinetic System by choosing pieces that stack, roll, or nest to adapt to your daily needs. Whether it's a custom-engineered right-angle bunk system with integrated maple dressers or a prototype roll-out cabinet bed, these designs treat your bedroom like a puzzle. By utilizing overbuilt mortise and tenon joinery for safety and hidden supporting beams for stability, you can tuck an entire guest suite or storage hub into a single corner. These Kinetic solutions allow you to deploy your bedroom for sleep and retract it for living, effectively doubling your usable square footage through clever mechanical engineering.